falls quiet on the hillside. Candles flicker in the cold night air. Shepherds standing in the stillness, holding breath like a simple prayer. In a manger, small and fragile, heaven's promise wrapped in straw and skin. In the silence of the midnight, all our hope is finally breaking in. Light in Bethlehem, shining through the dark again. Glory to the newborn King. Every trembling heart will sing, peace and mercy given. Heaven's love has come to man. Jesus, Holy One, we bow and sing. Glory to the newborn King. Angels echo over rooftops. Do not fear is the song they bring. In the doorway of a stable, earth and heaven share the same bright beam. We draw near to the wonder, kneeling down where the hay is thin. In His crying we hear kindness, God with us, and He is welcoming us in. Guide us home and keep us near, Prince of